Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain 9 most important things to do when your mobile phone is lost or stolen. Number 1. Lock your phone remotely. Open internet browser in your desktop PC or laptop. In address bar, type www.google.com/android/find. In the Google Find Hub, sign in using the Google account of your lost phone. Select your device and click on Secure Device. This prevents anyone from accessing your data. Number 2. Try to locate it. Check the last known location using Google Find Hub. If nearby, try calling it or using the play sound feature. Number 3. Erase data remotely if necessary. If you can't recover the phone and you are worried about sensitive data, erase it remotely. Number 4. Change passwords. Immediately change password for device locked in Google account, email accounts, banking apps, social media accounts, any apps with personal or financial information. Number 5. Report to your mobile carrier. Report the loss and ask them to block the SIM card, prevent unauthorized usage, possibly blacklist the device, IMEI block. Number 6. Notify your contacts. Let family, friends or colleagues know in case they receive suspicious messages or calls from your number. Number 7. Report to the police. Especially important if your phone contains sensitive or financial data. It was stolen. Provide IMEI number and location details. Number 8. Check and block banking apps. Log in from another device and lock out all sessions. Inform your bank or financial institutions if you believe your phone has been compromised. Number 9. Check IMEI blacklist. Contact your network provider to blacklist the IMEI number, preventing resale or reuse. That's all for today. If you like this video, please share it and give a thumb up. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.